So if you're ready to make something that's 100% you, grab some paper, maybe some glitter, and let's get into it. Okay, let's be real, this struggle is so real, right? Your best friend's birthday is coming up, or maybe you just want to show him some love, and you're just scrolling and scrolling, looking for that one thing that perfectly screams, "You are my person." It's tough to find a gift that feels as special as your friendship actually is. But what if I told you the most incredible gift isn't something you can just add to a cart and check out? What if it's something you actually create with your own two hands? Because that's where the real magic happens. It's all about making something straight from the heart. So let's talk about it. First up, why are handmade gifts just better? Honestly, it's about more than just a cute craft project. It is the ultimate friendship power move. And there's a really good reason why this is such a huge trend. Here's the deal. Making something personalized that totally matches your friend's unique vibe, their aesthetic, is everything right now. It just taps into that feeling of being truly seen and understood by someone. When you make something just for them, you're not just giving them a thing, you're giving them your time, your creativity, and a little piece of you. And that is true friendship goals. So, you ready to get started? Awesome. Welcome to Level 1, Instant Happy Mail. These are some super quick, super cute ideas that are absolutely perfect for sending a little surprise to your bestie just because. Just think about all the fun you can stuff into one little envelope. Imagine their face when they open up a custom bookmark with that one inside joke that always makes you two laugh. Or a pop-up card that has a little surprise inside. You could even theme it around a movie you both love, like Lilo and Stitch. Ohana means family, after all. Or just fill it with cute little drawings you know will make them smile. Seriously, the possibilities are endless here. And hey, never underestimate the power of something tiny. These miniature love letters are such a sweet idea. Just start by writing a note from the heart. It doesn't have to be a novel, just something real. Then, the fun part, folding it into a teeny tiny masterpiece. And to top it all off, you can make a little DIY paper box for it. It's like a secret message just for the two of you. So cute. Okay, you totally crushed level 1. So, you know what that means? It's time to level up. Welcome to the interactive glow up, where we're making gifts that are all about that fun, surprise moment of reveal. You want to give a gift that's also like an entire experience? You have to try a DIY scratch-off. It's such a cool way to hide a secret message. You could reveal plans for your next hangout or just a super sweet note. Your friend gets that satisfying moment of scratching it off to see what's underneath. Oh, and here's a little secret. You can make the scratch-off stuff at home with just some metallic paint and a little dish soap. How cool is that? Another amazing idea is to make matching origami friendship symbols. You could fold 2 identical little paper bears, or some classic paper hearts, or even some of these awesome-looking 3D stars. You keep one, you give one to your bestie, and boom, it's like a paper friendship bracelet that's full of good vibes and your special connection. All right, crafters, you know what time it is. It's time for the final level. Welcome to the Friendship Showcase. This is where we go all out with projects that celebrate your friendship in a big, big way. Okay, let's be real for a sec. Fresh flowers, they're beautiful, but they don't last. A paper flower bouquet, on the other hand, that thing is forever. Kind of like your friendship. You can even use their favorite colors and make their favorite flowers for a beautiful, permanent reminder of how much you care. But hey, flowers are just the beginning. What if you could turn your actual, real-life memories into a total work of art? You can make a photo collage of all your favorite selfies and moments together. Or make a special photo pop with a custom 3D frame. You could even decorate their room with a colorful rainbow paper chain or a fun banner of something you both love, like ice cream. It's all about turning your friendship, your memories, your inside jokes into actual art. Whew, we've gone through so many fun ideas, from tiny letters to huge decorations. But when you boil it all down, what's the most important thing to remember from all this? It really just comes down to this. Your hands can make what your heart feels. When you create something for your best friend, you're not just handing them an object. You're giving them a piece of your heart, a real, tangible reminder of your connection, and all the love you poured into making it. You know, every friendship has its own unique story, right? It's filled with your own jokes and memories. Well, a handmade gift is your chance to tell that story in a way that nothing you could ever buy in a store possibly could. So the only question left is, what story is your craft going to tell? Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer, and happy crafting.